Max, we've both, of course, followed Hammerspace as well for a while, thanks to their appearances at our field day events. Now, the Hammerspace Global Data Environment has hit version 5, and the company is boasting that this solution can saturate Ethernet and InfiniBand links and extract maximum performance from data in the cloud. We've heard a lot about Hammerspace over the years, but what's new, and is this really realistic?
Well, Hammerspace is one of those companies I love talking with. They are really different than the others. The way they do things, the way they create, they have their global namespace, the way they are, the whole architecture and the concept behind that are somehow very different. I think that goes back into their history as well. Uh, well, the short thing is yes, it is realistic, and I think that they are actually capable of delivering that performance. The other question is how is that going to be implemented into the field? What applications are going to be able to replicate those conditions, those testing conditions, to actually reach to a point where you can saturate that. Not all of the workloads are built for these. There may be some data locality issues. There may be some optimizations which are lacking on the other hand. So I think it is a good assurance for organizations which are either invested into Hammerspace or people considering to use the Hammerspace platform. Yes, nobody wants to buy a solution which is not really good on the performance side of things. But I think there's going to be maybe a kind of a reality check there, where organizations are going to be kind of reaching those limits. That said, I think that version 5 is really interesting. They've made improvements in terms of cloud object storage support. They're going in the right direction, even with some of their ML-based data placement and so on. So I think that definitely it's a real deal, and it's one of the companies that we should continue to follow.